How to use Elementor header and footer builder. So basically make sure you already have it set up, of course, and you already have the plugin and accounts ready. But since this video is just about how to use it in general, so once you're inside, a simple explanation is that the Elementor header and footer builder is basically just a way you can create a header layout inside the Elementor editor, which should look something like this. So when you see the dash box with the drag widget here, that's your header container. From the left panel, you can drag basic elements like the heading, which is the most important one, of course. You also have images, the text editors, you have buttons, you have videos, dividers, spacers, even Google Maps, and an icon. So let's say you go ahead and choose heading over here. It's basically where you can edit the text and then choose the HTML tag and customize typography and spacing. This is how you visually build your header, and since everything is drag and drop, there is technically no coding needed. So after designing the header, the next step is to basically just make sure it appears on your site. You can click publish, then set the display conditions. So for example, you make it as enter site or include enter website. But once saved, your custom header replaces the theme's default header. So it's pretty much just automatic. You can always return this editor to adjust layout, responsiveness, and those other stuffs, or styling. Can pretty much just make the header and footer builder a flexible way to fully control your site's top and bottom sections. But since it's pretty much very user-friendly, you can go ahead and explore what these elements do over here, and whatever you put in here should apply for what it's going to look like once you publish. But that is technically how you can use your Elementor header and footer builder in your WordPress, since it is just a plugin. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.